So Hotwav, rugged phone brand that released the Hotwav Cyber 7 5G and Hotwav Cyber 13 Pro, the Cyber 9 Pro, and so on, is gearing up to launch the Hotwav W11. So this is its second rugged phone of 2024. The first was the Hotwav T7. Okay, the T7 is a budget rugged phone, while the W11 is kind of like a mid-range rugged phone, but it's still packed with specs that are not that impressive. Anyway, let's explore its top features and specs. Let's see what it has to offer. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this device would be powered by a very old MediaTek chipset called the MT8788. This chip was released back in 2018 and it's very identical to the Helio P60. The device would also utilize 6 GB RAM and it supports 6 GB virtual RAM expansion. Its internal storage is 256 GB and you could expand it up to 2 TB via a micro SD card. This rugged phone is one of the few rugged phones with what rugged brands usually call a camping light. It's just a bright LED flash that is usually located at the rear of some rugged devices, including this rugged phone. So this rugged phone is equipped with a 280 lumens bright LED flash at the rear, which is very nice, and it packs a 20,800 mAh battery, which is very large, guys. It also supports 33 watts fast charging. In the camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary sensor and a 24MP night vision camera, while the front-facing camera is 16MP. As for the display, it's a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus wide notch display, and this device will be shipping with the Android 13, not the Android 14, and I don't think it's going to get the Android 14. The device weighs 850 grams. Yeah, it's very heavy, and it is 26.5mm thick. So other features of the phone includes Bluetooth 5.1. It features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports face unlock, NFC, OTG, and so on, guys. So these are the top features and specs of the Hotwav W11. The device is also going to be offered in black and gold colorways, and it's currently available on AliExpress for about $210, guys. So these are the top features and specs of the Hotwav W11. What do you think about this new rugged phone from Hotwav? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.